Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to refund Wizz Air plan tickets in 2025, whether you had to cancel your trip, your flight was changed, or you just need your money back. I will guide you through the process step by step in a very simple way. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand Wizz Air refund rules. Normally, Wizz Air tickets are non-refundable, but you can still get a refund in certain cases. For example, if Wizz Air cancels your flight, if your flight is significantly rescheduled, if you purchase Wise flags or similar service which allow cancellation. In other cases, you may not get cashback, but you can receive Wise credit to use you on future bookings. Next, open your browser and go to wiseair.com or the Wise Air mobile app. Log into your account with your booking details. Go to manage booking and select the flight you want to cancel or refund. Then click on the refund options. Wise Air will usually gives you two choices: full refund to Wise credit. This gives you 100% of the ticket price in credits, sometimes with a small bonus percentage. Second is cash refund to your card or bank. This is possible but often slower and sometimes only a partial if you cancel by choice. If the airlines cancel your flight, you are entitled to your cash refund by EU regulation, and it should be processed back to your original payment method. If you don't see the refund option online, you may need to contact Wise Air directly. You can reach them through their call center by using the online chat in the app. Be ready with your booking number and payment details. Sometimes they may be also ask you to submit a refund request from by email, and refunds usually takes 7 to 30 days depending on your bank and payment method. Credit appears in your Wise account almost instantly, while cash refunds can take longer. And that's it. That's how you can refund your Wise Air tickets in 2025. Always check your booking terms, and before buying, if you flying often consider adding Wise Flex to make cancellations easier. If hope you are enjoying this video, and if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.